This is the Glitch Panopticon Season 2 Chapter 4. In this episode, we will be discussing the Einstein Podolsky Rosen paradox and explaining how, with all respect to the smartest man of all time, it is incorrect. The purpose of this thought experiment is to show how communication between parallel worlds is possible. To start out, it appears that particles from two distinct parallel realities can exhibit quantum entanglement. For example, in one universe, a meson may have one spin and in the other another spin. And these two states are entangled. This means that knowing the momentum of one allows you to predict the momentum of the other. Einstein and Podolsky/Rosen believe that this contradicted relativity and thus must be inherently incorrect since nothing can travel faster than light. But, and here is the problem with their thought processes. If two particles in two distinct universes can exhibit quantum entanglement, then it doesn't actually mean that information is traveling faster than light because they are in the same location. But more importantly, let's suppose for a second that there is radium-226 in your body in one universe, and in the other universe is the same atom of radium-226. Now, let's say that each radium-226 atom produces an alpha particle as it decays. Let's say the other radium atom produces an alpha particle as it decays. Now, what if the only difference between these two universes is the spin of the meson, which represents the nuclear force responsible for the decay? And what if those two mesons are in an entangled state? Could not information be passed through a biological nuclear process from one universe to another without breaking relativity? Let me put it this way. If you were able to read the information from one alpha particle, would you not know the information about the other alpha particle, because both mesons are entangled? Since alpha particles exhibit quantum tunneling through the electromagnetic barrier. What this means is that faster than light information transfer requires nuclear force and Einstein Podolsky Rosen entanglement, violation of the paradox. But at the same time, it doesn't. Because both particles are in the same place or roughly within certain radius, i.e. Planck's length. Thus the paradox is wrong. Both relativity and quantum mechanics can be right. And both can be complete. That's the end of the podcast for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe.